Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I am Minksbyv. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove professional eyelash extensions at home. After going to 5 different stores, I was able to find a product. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. Here are your video chapters. I can't believe I actually went to go put on lash extensions just to take them off. But I know a lot of you guys are probably in a state of emergency or just want to get these lashes off if you got them professionally done. We're going to try and test this out. Hopefully it works. I'm going to be the guinea pig just for you. Let's go through the products. It's actually from a well-known brand, Ardell. I received feedback from my followers under my recent reel that went viral on Instagram. This is what it states. It states lash removal for individuals. I went into CVS. They didn't have it in store or online. Walgreens did not have it in store or online. Target did not have it in store or online. Walmart didn't have it in store. However, the representative was able to find this product online. I also went to Ulta. They do not carry this product in store or online. I did not check Amazon. I found it on Amazon. They have it online, guys. So the price of this product is $4.94. So in total, you're probably not going to pay any more than $6 after taxing. And if you want to do shipping, things like that, count on paying like $10 total. So before anybody come here and try to bark, this company made this product for consumers to use at home. There are a couple of things you're going to need for this removal. You are going to need some tape. Make sure you have a mirror. You will need some form of an eyelash wash. There, you're going to need your applicators. So get yourself some lip brushes to be able to put this on. Get yourself a makeup brush. We have the dual flip side where you have the makeup brush on this side and then you have your spoolie on this side. You might want to play it safe and get a handheld fan, baby, just in case it burns. Make sure you have yourself some tweezers and a towel. We're gonna hop right in. I'm gonna encourage you to do this in sections. And I'm gonna stick my applicator inside and pick up product, okay? Oh, it's very liquidy. Oh, I need you to take your time in this process. Number one, I'm going to start dabbing this underneath, okay? So the product with the liquid on it, I'm gonna start dabbing it underneath to get it on the lashes. Mind you, keep in mind, there's a lot of lashes, y'all. So this product has to break through a lot of the lashes. And then I'm going to close my eye now and apply, I'm going to close my eye now and I'm going to apply some of this to the top lid. And hold the lashes down, because that's one of the things you got to do with lash extensions. You got to hold them down. I'm going to just get some more out of the thing and apply more of it to this section. All right, I'm keeping my eye closed. I think less is more in this equation. Now, this is my thing with you. If your eyes twitch a lot, oh, see, I feel it already. It's in my eye. I'm not finna look up no more. If your eye twitches a lot, hold your eye down. So you need to hold your eye down and allow this product to marinate. Allow this to marinate into your lashes. But I already can feel a little bit of it because I use too much. So a little goes a long way and we're going to have to take our time with this. I'm not even finna play these childish games. I'm not even finna see. I'm not finna even open it up because now, So a little goes a long way, guys. Unfortunately, lash extension adhesive, it does take time for it to soak. You do have to let your lashes soak so it can fully dissolve and you can start sliding it off. So we're just gonna have to wait. Okay, so we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes and then I'm gonna come back, and after 5 minutes, if it hasn't dissolved, if it's not loosened up, then we're going to wait some more, probably give it another 5 minutes, and then try to start taking it off. Okay, guys, I'm back. So all of the lashes are not off. I'm going to insert a clip right here on the screen of showing you guys how I was trying to take the lashes off. But basically, like, they come off. I'm not going to lie. The product does come off. You have to be extremely careful, and you really have to take your time. Me personally, as a professional lash extension artist, I have products that actually get them off faster. With reviewing this product, it's more or less that the product takes longer to break down the adhesive. However, they still get the lashes off. I got a lot of my lashes off without damaging my natural lashes. What I did was I kept rotating between this towel and these tweezers, these applicators. Like, I kept rotating between this stuff. So these was the items that I kept rotating in between. Please, please, please take your time when doing this. I don't know if I was just rushing the process because I know how long it actually takes to get lash extensions off professionally. So I know, like, you're gonna have to take your time with this. I was letting mine soak. They were popping off. It was almost like they were coming off one at a time. I wish that they come off faster. So if they can find a way to formulate the product where they can come off faster, I would love this product more. But it does work. So Sheep did like extra volume on me. The more hair that you have, the longer it's going to take. Yeah, what I would advise is if you could go get it professionally taken off because you may not have the time, go get it professionally taken off. The product does work though. I'm gonna just do a quick close-up. I have a generous amount of lashes still on my lashes here, and I'm gonna let you guys know this stuff does burn if it does get in your eyes. I kept rushing it and moving too quickly, and it was burning as it was getting in my eyes just because I was losing patience. And as my time is going down on my clock, that's another thing. I was losing patience because I have somewhere that I have to be at a certain time. And I did not think this was gonna take me this long, but it's been taking me a long time to get them off. They'll come off, but it's going to take some time to get them off.